This is a tour of the Lathrop Street crossing in Trenton, Michigan. This is a spur off of the Detroit line. This spur serves the DT energy plant over there. Like I said, this is off of the Conrail Detroit line. Here's the Conrail dot tags. This is the southernmost signal. SafeTran base, SafeTran 8-inch lights, and SafeTran 8-inch side lights. See, SafeTran. And I believe that's a General Signals Type 1 electronic bell. And let's cross the street over here and go to the northernmost signal, which is pretty much the same, but here's a back view, the southernmost signal. I hope one day I can see these crossing signals activated, but I mean, I don't know how often they usually run up the spur. There are a pair of BNSF GEVOs sitting on the siding over here. I mean, not the siding, the spur. Like I said, there's the Detroit line. Here is the northern signal, which is pretty much the same. So again, there's a Conrail dot tags. Back up a bit, show you the full signal. And once again, we have a SafeTran base, some SafeTran 8-inch lights, SafeTran 8-inch side lights too, and a General Signals Type 1 electronic bell. And that is pretty much the full crossing. There's the other. And we'll walk over here real quick and I'll go on this bike path and we'll... It sounds like I actually hear a horn right now. It's probably in the Flat Rock subdivision. I'll have to go check that out. But here are the two GEVOs that are just sitting on the siding. Spur again. Whoops. But, yep, that's Lathrop Street. Thanks for watching.